What is up, everyone? It's time. It's time to get started back on the Suburban. Let's get to welding. Alright, time to start these transitions. Frame has a Z on it. I think it was roughly between 2.5 to 3 inches. I can't remember what I did on it. But, it's not bad. I mean, obviously this would have to get cut off right here. But I just figured it'd be a lot easier to get rid of the stock frame rail. I'm not using these shock mounts, and just making one piece go from here to right behind the bracket for the control arm. So to do that, I'm gonna start by cutting these braces off and moving them so I can get in there to work. I'll probably brace it up here to keep the front section from moving anywhere. That way when I cut all this off, it doesn't go haywire on me. So, I drew up these frame transitions on some graph sheet. Sent it over to a fellow YouTuber, Jacob Rohde. I think it's pronounced Rohde, right? Yeah. But gave him my measurements and he cut them exactly to what I needed. And he even hooked me up with cutting some shock mounts off the drops, I guess you would call them. Basically from cutting these out, what you have left over on a sheet on the plasma table. And then he also hooked me up, and I didn't even know he was going to do this, some custom emblems. So that's pretty cool. So check down below. I will drop a link to his website and his channel. Email him if you draw something up, let him know what you need, and he will hook you up with any custom metal project that you got going. Alright, so I tacked just a piece on there to keep the frame from pulling in. Tacked those there. That's a little rusty there, so it should stay. But I know I do have some places where the frame is tacked to the makeshift table, but anyway, it shouldn't go nowhere. So the next step is to get these welds behind there cut off, or I'll probably just slice this, get that out of the way. Take the sawzall down right here, measure it so I get them both the same on each side. Get these transitions in. Well, that's just about what it's gonna look like. I think it's gonna look 1,000 times better.